Hi, my name is Tatiana and my channel is created by Lady T. And in this channel, I talk about quilting, crochet, sewing. I give product reviews and demonstrations. And if you are interested in these topics related to sewing, quilting, or crochet, then welcome to my channel. This year, the beginning of 2024, I decided to remodel or revamp my sewing room, and I bought a new addition to my sewing room, as well as move things around so that it becomes much more functional and easier to navigate. And I put things together so that I don't have such a hard time looking for things in my sewing room and losing things. So that was one of my goals for 2024. And so I changed my sewing room around. I'm going to continue changing a few things, but I'm not going to be adding any major large pieces of furniture. I will be adding some changes that I'll talk about in a minute. But I want you guys to come on in, and I will give you a tour of my sewing room. Okay, so for a sewing room to be functional, everything has to have a place so that it's in the same place and you're always going back there and you're not losing anything. So to start off with, I put these crates over here, and on top of it I put on my patterns. I also have my laptop for my embroidery software and all my embroidery items. So I have my laptop over here, and in the drawers what I have is just buttons and materials that I need. And if I, these are to put fasteners or other types of tape. And then over here I have some pens, another selfie stick for my videos. And then here I have just odds and ends that I use. So that's right by my door over here. And I have this cute shelf, just mostly for decorative purposes, but I do have a beautiful, this little shadow box that my brother made of a sewing room for me that I keep up here. And then I have these little cute little things, little trinkets up here. I have a light that I can use, and this is portable so I can move it around. And of course my sewing box, and these are just chalk pens that I use for sewing. And then over here I have more drawers. These just have more of my sewing supplies in there. They're nice and neat and tucked away. I have my needles over here. This is a temporary place for this. I am going to be adding something new over here pretty soon. There's my Timble collection, an iron that I can move around. I have my figure form over here. Here's my cutting table with a light. And then over here I have my ironing station to do my ironing. And I have drawers in there as well. So I have a lot of threads scattered throughout my walls. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to redo that. That's one of the things that I'm going to be working on next as a project. And over here against the window, I have my 770 Bernina. And this Bernina table does also have a drawer with, it's a Bernina table, I'm sorry, it's a koala table. It does have thread at the side over here, but it's not enough for me. I just can never have personally too much thread. I have a nice little lamp over here, and this is where I usually work with my 770 Bernina. And then over here I have where my embroidery module is. And then I have, it's an embroidery, this is a second piece of furniture that I purchased to include for my embroidery module. And in this corner over here, I have my rotary blades. My rulers, another lamp, my Bernina tower. This is for my scraps. That gets moved around. And then I've got a pin cushion over here. So I have a nice comfortable table and a comfortable chair. And then this is my second Bernina, in which I have another table, my Laverne and Shirley table, and this pulls out so I can work with this. I have another video that shows how I pull this out. Again, you see all that scattered thread all over the place. That's going to be my next project that I'm going to redo. So I do have all this space now because I've recently remodeled my room. So I have all this space in the middle so I can pull out any of these tables and work with them in my room. And this is just an average bedroom. So it's nothing special. It's not like a studio size room, but it works really well for me. And I also have a serger, and my serger is in my cutting table over here. I do have another video that I give a product review on this, but I keep my serger in here that I can work with later on. So this is really nice and functional. I'm finally getting my sewing room to the way I want it to look, so I'm kind of proud of that. Well, that's my tour of my sewing room. Comment below what you guys think. Some people like the pink, some people don't like the pink. It makes me happy. So let me know what you guys think of my room. If you have any suggestions for how I can organize my thread, I would really love to hear from you. If this video interested you, or any other one of my videos, subscribe to my channel, Created by Lady T. Give me a thumbs up, and please comment in the comment box. I really would like to hear from you, especially in the subject of thread right now, because I'm kind of looking at different ways in which I can store my thread. So I really would love to hear from you. Okay, bye for now.